In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset a HP DeskJet 2921 printer. The only information that's held on the printer is the Wi-Fi information, so resetting it can help you connect better. Come to the front of the printer and open up this outer tray, and then open up the tray in behind where the ink cartridges are held. Now you need to come over to the control panel, press the X and the Wi-Fi button, both for 5 seconds. So hold them both in at the same time, and you'll see the power button begin to flash slower. So hold it for 5 seconds and then you can release it. And now you need to keep both of these trays open for 20 seconds after you've held both the buttons in. So just keep them open. And after 20 seconds, you can close them and the printer will have successfully been reset. Thank you for watching.